Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your account details and collecting proof of identity so the app can match your request. This prevents delays. Once you have your email, phone, user ID, and a photo ID or recent statement, open the app and go straight to account or privacy settings. If you can't find deletion, tap Help or Support and prepare to submit a data removal request. Make sure to note the date and time. You'll need this for follow-up and for any dispute. Now you submit a clear deletion request. State that you want all personal data removed and list specifics: account, loan history, KYC documents, transaction logs, backups. Use the in-app form if available, otherwise email support with a concise subject line and attached ID. Explain why and reference company policy or data protection law where relevant. Once sent, record the ticket number or reply. Expect an acknowledgement within days, so check email and spam. Keep follow-up reminders 2 weeks apart. Finish by verifying the action. Log out, try recovering the account, and request written confirmation that personal data and backup copies were deleted. If you still see data, reply asking for the exact items retained and the legal basis. Escalate to a manager if the answer is unclear. If the app refuses without lawful reason, preserve all correspondence, take screenshots, and consider filing a complaint with the relevant regulator. One troubleshooting tip: if response stalls, send a clear escalation email with ticket numbers and a deadline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.